So here we go. I trimmed the edges there, and the side that was lying on the acrylic sheet is super nice and smooth and shiny. This actually turned out really nicely. I'm quite happy with how this is working. So it's a pretty dense, thick film. And I can imagine you could easily like turn this into a purse or a wallet of sorts. It's really that strong and stiff. So I'm quite happy with it. There, of course, are a few things in there. One of them being that my acrylic sheet wasn't entirely clean, so it left a few imprints, minor ones, which is okay. And you can also see this part here, this line. I had a few breaks, and you can kind of see it in the end result, so that line is still there. You can either kind of cut around it, depending on the design you're gonna do, or incorporate it, because it's also something, of course, you can use. So, yeah, I am very happy with this plastic sheet. So again, this is heat resistant up to about 150 or 160 degrees, which is nice. But it does attract water, so you don't want to soak it in water for a long time. It can resist spatters, that's not a problem, I can show you. Nothing's really gonna happen, it's just gonna roll right off of it. Ooh, okay, can you see that? How do I show you that? There's water. That just rolls right off. But if you soak it for a long time, it will absorb. It will absorb it eventually. But it's always good to do a few small tests to kind of see how resistant it is to water. So that's my sheet. Then of course I also have these strings. They started out as super curly bits, but shrinking it around the jar helps to stretch it up a little bit, and then you get like nice long even things. So you can see how much it shrank. This was a pretty thick blob to begin with, and now they're like really nice thin yarn things. So also I have a few of those, and it's a bit stiff. It's a bit stiff, so I tried crocheting with it, but I ended up breaking the thing with the manipulation. So maybe crocheting is not the best technique to use with this, or you have to do it when it's still a bit wet, but still things you can explore with that, I imagine. So that's the end of the alginate series for now. See you later.